Alright, Nikki, we're back. So, I do have Brandy working off the leash. I think it helps with her confidence. I do want you to use the leash, but I do have that sound box collar thing on. When you hear that buzzing, that's the pager. The pager is giving her confidence because the pager is everywhere. It's the commonality between all the environments. Brandy, good. Feel good. Feel good. Alright, always kind of reverting back to my original behavior. Down. If she starts to go ahead, I'm going to change direction. If she was to start to bark at somebody or do something, you're going to change direction. You're not going to try to restrain her. You just go the other way, because if we've taught her to follow the leader and the leader leaves, go that way. So as I'm getting farther along, though, my body posture, no, Brandy, is becoming more important. Down. So I need to be aware of what I'm doing. My arms are like this. I've got my big, obvious looking remote here. Got my treat here, and my treat is in my eye line. Good. Good. Brandy. Already thinking about my down. Good. Nope. Nope. Good. Good. Down. I'm going to bend and point it all. So I'm really partly encouraging her, again, to do what I want, but the bigger picture is to pay attention to me. Oh, she's a good girl, too. Oh, she's loving it out there, girl. Oh, she's loving it. She's been playing with everybody and doing great. Brandy. So this hand is kind of here. It might drop down. Down. Wonderful. More updates soon.